Hi guys, welcome back to Ivie Space. So today's video is going to be a part 2 of the Christmas home decor that I started this year. So if you have not watched my first video, please, I'm going to leave a link down below on the description box, or something is going to pop up on the screen that you can go and watch the first video of my home decor Christmas home decor series. So if you guys remember, I had a garland and running down the stairways. As you can see it on the stairways, and there was a one leftovers because I don't have a fireplace. Maybe in the nearest future I'm going to get a fireplace, so I got a garland and I just hang it along the wall with a stapler. So I have a used stapler that I use to hang stuff up if it's heavy, and I just use that to hang this garland along this console table. And I'm going to show you guys how I decorate it. This is in my dining room. It's like a two separate place in my dining room that I love to decor. And this is for during the Christmas season or during Christmas season. I love to decorate this console and just create it like where I can hang the socks for the kids. And I'm just going to show you guys how I decorate this area in the kitchen, in the dining room. So guys, we are completely done. We're done decorating the whole place. I hope you guys love it, and if you have not watched the part 2 of my home decor, please, I'm going to be leaving a link down below so that you can go and watch the part 1 of this home decor, Christmas home decor videos that I posted up. So, and if you have also watched this far, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to push the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to push the bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So we are completely done today. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to show you guys the final look. It looks amazing. I love it. It looks like Christmas tree up in here. Like, I love it. I love it. So the only thing that I'm going to be filming still is the Christmas tree decor. I usually do this with my kids. We like to decorate the Christmas tree together. I get to get some pictures with them and have fun time with them, and have some hot chocolate and tea and just have fun while we're decorating the tree. I'm going to be filming the video. If you guys are interested in that video, please like this comment, leave a comment, like this video, leave a comment down below, and we will film it for you guys. Guys, go. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.